Hello, Tom. I'm trying to get the old fire engine here. I'm at the station, but of course you can't get into it. So I'm holding the phone against the glass, so hopefully it won't get a reflection. And it is a glorious day here. It was -3 this morning. So, see what I can do here with the... I really can't see what I'm doing here, so... A little bit of trial and error here. So, let's see. Come around the corner and see if I can get anything with it. Little toy fire engine there too. It's kind of neat. See if I can get a bit of the front end there. And then there's the little write-up on it. Sorry, it's not great. I'll look for the siren. I think it must be here somewhere, so I'll see what I can find. So here we are outside the fire station, right outside the front here. And it looks like that is the old air raid siren up on top there. Looks a bit like the one that Chris sent in to you, so I think I found the same thing. I know it's very loud when it goes off. Too bad it wasn't, well, don't really want a fire going, but it's too bad it didn't go off for a practice run or something. Alright, that's the best I can do.